Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. The Parisian Palette, your guide to timeless white and off-white. You know that feeling you get in a beautiful Parisian apartment? It's not about being overly fancy, but about that effortless, airy elegance that just feels right. So many of us dream of capturing that light-filled, timeless look in our own homes, but choosing the right whites can feel surprisingly intimidating. The secret often lies in using two carefully chosen shades to create depth and warmth. For a foolproof pairing, let's talk about Benjamin Moore's Chantilly Lace and French Canvas. Think of Chantilly lace as your pure, crisp white for trim and ceilings, a true blank slate. Then wrap your walls in French canvas, a soft, warm off-white that acts like a soft glow, making the whole space feel invitingly lived in. Picture a classic Haussmannian building with its pale stone and intricate ironwork. For the exterior trim and window casements, a coat of Chantilly lace makes those architectural details pop with clean definition against the stone. Imagine shutters or a garden gate painted in the softer French canvas. It's less stark than pure white, blending gracefully with the natural environment. This combo hints at the refined, welcoming style waiting inside, right from the moment you arrive at the door. Step inside and the magic of the pairing begins. The walls, dressed in French canvas, offer an instant, gentle welcome that feels bright but never sterile. All the moldings, the crown, the door and window casings, get the Chantilly lace treatment, creating a crisp architectural frame. This contrast defines the elegant bones of the space immediately. It sets a sophisticated yet soothing tone, telling you this is a home designed with intention and calm. This is where the scheme truly sings, especially with afternoon light streaming in. The French canvas walls provide a soft, neutral backdrop that makes your artwork, bookshelves, and textured linen sofa the stars of the show. The bright white of Chantilly lace on the crown molding, baseboards, and fireplace mantle keeps everything looking sharp and lifted. The two colors work in tandem to make the room feel both expansive and incredibly cozy. You get a serene sanctuary that's perfect for both quiet mornings and lively gatherings. For a bedroom, we want serenity above all else, and this palette is a dream. French canvas on the walls is like a warm, gentle embrace, promoting total relaxation. It's the color of soft clouds at dawn. Using Chantilly lace on the ceiling, window trim, and perhaps a picture frame molding adds structure without any harshness. Layer an ivory bedding, a plush taupe rug, and maybe a vintage wooden bench. The result is a retreat that feels cloud-like and peaceful, a true escape from the world. Dining rooms crave a touch of formality, but you still want guests to feel comfortable lingering over a meal. Here, French canvas adds a dose of warmth that makes the space feel intimate and enclosed in the best way. Highlighting the chair rail, wainscoting, or a dramatic ceiling medallion with Chantilly lace introduces that classic Parisian architectural detail. It's the perfect neutral stage for a dark wood table, sparkling crystal, and the warm glow of candlelight. Every dinner feels like a special occasion in this subtly defined space. In the kitchen, the goal is clean and bright but not clinical. Painting cabinets in Chantilly lace gives that classic clean look that never goes out of style. Using French canvas on the walls, or even on the island for a slight variation, softens the overall effect and ties the kitchen to the rest of the home's palette. The contrast is subtle but effective, allowing marble countertops and brass hardware to shine. It feels fresh, timeless, and effortlessly put together, just like a Parisian pâtisserie. This combination brings a spa-like purity to the bathroom. Chantilly lace is ideal for all the trim, tile wainscoting, and perhaps even the ceiling to amplify light and reflectivity. The French canvas on the upper walls adds just enough warmth to prevent the room from feeling like a laboratory. It complements both cool marble and warm wood tones beautifully. Finish with fluffy white towels and a simple framed print for a space that feels impeccably clean and quietly luxurious. Your own private salon de bain.